guys, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Happy Thanksgiving, wherever you are. I am on 85 southbound, heading towards Atlanta. I'm in the express lane. Hey Nick, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? God bless you, bro. Happy holidays to you. Leaving 85, I'm about to head towards 285. 285 is a go around in Atlanta. If you follow 285 in Atlanta, it'll take you in a big circle. But it connects to all major highway from east to west and from north to south. What is it? I-20 East. Take 280. You could go straight through Atlanta on I-20, but the go around for trucks, I'm not in the truck right now, but the go around for trucks is 285. You cannot go through the city of Atlanta with a truck, and unless you have delivery in Atlanta. Same with I-75 and I-85. You cannot go through the city of Atlanta unless you have a delivery. So you have to jump on 285 and go around.